Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Hootsuite to LinkedIn for scheduling content, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Hootsuite to LinkedIn for scheduling content, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on the My Profile icon. Select Manage Social Networks from the drop-down menu. On the right side, click the Add a Social Network button. From the list of available networks, choose LinkedIn. You will be prompted to log into, enter your LinkedIn credentials and sign in. After signing in, grant Hootsuite permission to access your LinkedIn account. Review the permissions and click Allow. Select the LinkedIn profile or page. Once selected, confirm your choice by clicking Add Social Network. You will now see your LinkedIn account linked in the Hootsuite dashboard. To schedule content, go back to the main dashboard. Click on the New Post button. In the Post Creation window, select your LinkedIn account. Write your content or attach media as needed. Set the date and time for the scheduled post. Finally, click Schedule to confirm your content is set to post at the chosen time. Hootsuite will now automatically publish your content to LinkedIn at the scheduled time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.